Look at this lady getting her. I know that's right. They wait in a line for this rotisserie chicken. You can never go to Sam's Club without getting anything. Look at all these party goodies at the dollar store. $1.25. You know they went up on the amount. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naysha Nicole if you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. So in today's video we're gonna do a productive day in my life. So I have to run some errands, get some cleaning supplies for my studio and my house. I have to place in my baby's order for his cupcakes and his cake for his party, and then also grab a couple things from the grocery store, and then also cook, maybe, I don't know. Those are the plans of my productive day in my life, and we're gonna see how it goes. But yeah, you guys, so I have to drop my baby off to his grandma's house and then run these errands before I pick him up. And yes, I'm bringing y'all along with me. So yeah, look at all these party goodies at the dollar store. $1.25. You know they went up on the amount. Yeah, $1. What's up you guys? So I just got back from Dollar Tree. As you can see, I showed you what I got some things for my house to clean and also for my studio, so I'm super excited about that. I don't know who gets excited about buying cleaning supplies. Me, I do. So now I'm gonna go get lunch, and I'm gonna stop by the house and charge this camera's batteries because it's like low battery right now. So this is what we got for lunch, you guys. This is a street corn right here. This is for me. Let me open it. This is what it looks like for average street corn, you guys. Right here. They had a Hot Cheetos one too, but I wanted to try the OG one first. These are some tacos, the original rolled up tacos. Some donuts, croissant donuts, or I don't know, this is specialty donuts, but 2 lemonades for me and Martinez, and that's what we're eating for lunch, y'all. So yeah. What's up you guys? So we are grocery shopping. Just a little bit, nothing too major, but yeah, we're gonna get some things for the house, and then let's go this way. We're gonna get some things for the house, and then I'm going to also go place in the order for my baby's cake and his birthday cakes, because his birthday is in a couple weeks. So yeah, y'all, we at the local grocery store, and I gotta go get cupcakes for my baby's birthday. His theme is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. We're so excited, me and my baby, and Martinez is like whatever, but you know, deep down inside he's excited too. So yeah, his birthday's in a week, his party's in like a couple weeks, so hopefully they still take his order in and get it in on time. Oh, over here, and get him some baby food. My baby actually eats like raw vegetables. Like, he's a big boy. That one. Alright you guys, so now I'm at Sam's Club with my mother, and we're about to go place his order in for my baby boy's first birthday, and hopefully they can get it in on time and get the design I wanted, because I looked online and found the perfect Mickey Mouse design, and so I'm excited to pick it out. I've been so tired. I've been running around all day in this heat. So this is the last stop. Then I go pick him. I pick Josiah up after, and then I cook, and that's my day. This is the theme we're going for, you guys. We're definitely eating cupcakes because I feel like not a lot of people eat the cake, actual cake at the birthday party. So we're gonna do that and get a little cake as well. Like maybe this or this, and then like cupcake. Or maybe that one too, I don't know. Y'all see. Look at this lady getting hurt. I know that's right. They wait in a line for this rotisserie chicken. You guys, we placed the order in and it was so cute. We got him a cake and 30 cupcakes. So I don't know if my baby really likes vanilla or chocolate or marble. So I did half vanilla, half chocolate. I know at his cake smash, we did vanilla. And so that's what I did for his little cake, his own single cake. It's like a 2-layer Mickey Mouse cake and it's freaking cute. I'm so excited. So yeah, now we're just getting a couple things. I got some muffins. You can never go to Sam's Club without getting anything, you know, because the plan was to just place the order for the party and leave. Maybe get a pizza from Sam's Club, but leave. No, we kind of going shopping. And I got me some muffins because my baby in my belly now, he likes muffins and fruit. Like he really likes fruit and veggies. So that's what I've been craving this pregnancy. Last pregnancy I was craving tacos. But yeah, I'll show y'all what we get before we leave. So you guys, I only got the muffins. So I did pretty well. The muffins are only $4.98. They're blueberry. They're my favorite muffins, so had to get them. Alright, you guys, so we're done shopping. Literally, it's like 7:20, 7:30. This Sam's Club, they close at 8 o'clock. But right before they shut down the cafe, which is at like 7 now, I got myself a hot dog because they have the best hot dogs. Sam's Club has the best hot dogs, like no competition, y'all. Then I got a sundae. I've never had their sundaes before. I wanted to try it because the guy ahead of me tried it, or he ordered it, and so I kind of want to try it. And also got a drink as well. Their food is very, very reasonable. Like literally, we got a hot dog, 2 sundaes, and then 2 sodas, less than $5, or no, $5.80. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to go pick up my baby boy, cook dinner, and then that's gonna be my productive day. What's up, everybody? So this is editing Naysha, Nicole, whatever. I forgot to close that video out, and so I'm doing it now, and I look like this because I woke up like this or whatever. That was a productive day in my life, and I honestly didn't do anything much after I left Sam's Club with my mom. We went to go pick up my baby boy. And then I went home, I showered, and we got settled in bed, and I didn't even cook, y'all. Martinez ended up getting some food for takeout, and that's what we had for dinner. And yeah, then I woke up the next day and I had to get things done too. So yeah, I didn't really do nothing like that after Sam's Club. That was a productive day in my life, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please do comment down below. I'll make more of them. I do have a lot of productive days in my life, so this won't be the first or whatever, or this won't be the last. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know every time I post a new video. And thank you for watching. Bye.